It's been 2 incredible years living in this beautiful static caravan. And while summer is a dream here, today we need to talk about winter. Because my first winter here was frankly miserable. We spent the entire season shivering, feeling the cold creep up from the floorboards no matter how high we cranked the heat. The cost? Our gas was disappearing faster than snow in the spring, and the bills were simply killing us. I knew I couldn't face another winter like that. The first, most obvious answer was insulation, specifically the floors, which was the main culprit for the heat loss and cold air infiltration. But then I got the coats. Let me tell you, the price just to insulate the floors was almost 6 times my monthly rent. That was an instant resounding no. So the mission changed. Find an affordable, practical solution that actually works. I looked at everything, from floor heaters to installing a diesel heater. Nothing was cost-effective enough. Until, finally, I synthesized everything I learned and came up with my own crazy DIY solution. I'd seen people on YouTube using foil and bubble wrap to insulate windows and walls. I thought, why not the floors? The catch? I could not lift the existing carpet, so I decided to insulate over it. The plan was simple: thick foil for the floor and bubble wrap for the windows. I placed a big order on Temu for industrial strength foil and heavy-duty bubble wrap because the budget had to stay low. To secure the foil on the floor without it tearing, I used small squares of bubble wrap as a cushion when nailing it down. It worked perfectly. Then I simply covered the whole lot with my brand new cozy carpets, also ordered affordably from Temu. And you won't believe the difference. Since these small changes, the temperature inside this caravan has visibly changed. I'm uploading this video in the middle of December, and I can honestly say we haven't felt that last year style chill once. I wanted a solution that was affordable, high quality, and genuinely effective. And honestly, every single item I ordered surprised me with its quality for the price. My caravan is now a true cozy, warm haven. A place where I can come in from the frosty winter, make a piping hot chocolate, and watch my favorite movie without feeling a single draft. This simple hack is an amazing success story that can work for any drafty home. It's super easy, workable, and best of all, cost-effective. I've shared the exact links to the foil and bubble wrap I used in the description below. Go grab them with peace of mind, stop feeling cold, stop paying crazy heating bills, and start enjoying your cozy winters.